Well, it's the end of an era. January 1st, 2023. She just got her final wash before her new owners come to pick her up this afternoon. It has been a great run over, 3 or 4 years. And we got a lot accomplished with this guy. There's still a few more things left for the new owners to do, but overall, it has been an absolute pleasure dealing with my 1998 Porsche Boxster. So happy to see it go to some new owners who have been fans of the channel for a while now. So this will be their second Boxster added to the collection, so it should be in good hands for years to come.
What fun car.
I see smiles.
That's smiles. Yep, nothing but smiles.
That's a good sign.
Wow.
All right, so here's our potential new owners of the car. You guys want to introduce yourself? Say hey.
Yeah, I'm Richard Pinkley. We've been following the channel for about 1.5 years, ever since we got our first 986.
Okay. All right.
And that's actually what turned us on to the channel, was an O2 sensor replacement.
Well, perfect. Glad you guys found it.
Yeah.
I'm Will, and I've always loved cars, especially Porsches. Yeah, beautiful.
So you're the potential future driver of the car. That's awesome. So congratulations.
Thank
And I think you owe me gratitude for not getting a Miata. That's what I get.
Yeah, that's right. Absolutely.
It was this or Miata. So,
Yeah.
It's always this room, yeah.
yeah. All right, cool. Well, what are you thinking?
Yeah, we love it. I think we'd like to take her home.
All right, fantastic.
Yeah, we're so happy that we could get this worked out. And
Yeah, that's
we
great.
could make it happen, and definitely the most well-documented Boxster out there.
That is true. Yeah, it will be hard to find another one like that. So,
Yeah.
well, congratulations then, guys.
Thanks.
And I hope you guys enjoy it and get as much pleasure out of it as I did. And Paul. Yes, Paul. I know Paul's going to be watching.
Right. Yeah, thanks, Paul. Original owner, Paul.
Yes, yeah. He said he almost bought it for his daughter,
Yeah.
but didn't want her to have a sports car for the first one. So,
Yeah. Well, that's what we said about the wheels. We didn't want him to have a sports car or manual for the first one, so we gave it a couple years, and
yeah.
I'm sure you're glad we did.
I even wore my matching shoes.
Oh, hey. Awesome. Very nice. All right, cool. All right, thanks, guys.
All right, thanks.
Well, she's gone, and it's a little bittersweet, but if this Boxster and the videos on it have helped you at all, please take the time to leave a comment below and let me know how it helped, what project you did or projects, and I hope the new owners have just as much fun as I did.